In this video, I'm going to talk about some key websites that are useful for your family history research. Actually, I would say they're crucial for your family history research. If used correctly, these websites will reveal your ancestors and take your family tree back in time, hopefully towards the medieval period. Who knows? Until you start looking at these websites and using them, you won't find that information. So let's get going. The Internet Archive, also known as the Wayback Machine. This website captures websites that are obsolete, have ceased to exist, or have changed dramatically over the years. If you have a website that you've lost or that has changed and you want to go back to a previous version, then search for it on the Wayback Machine. The Internet Archive also holds video clips, sound recordings, and lots more. So have a look, search for those old websites and see what turns up. I'm not going to take up any more of your time. Have a look at them, explore, and let me know what you find. Good luck and have fun.